Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Countryside Explorer. Today, we're taking you on a wonderful tour around the stunning St Mary's Church in Mendlesham. This church is full of history, character and beautiful details, from its striking tower to the peaceful churchyard and everything in between. If you enjoy exploring with us, make sure to like the video, leave a comment and hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future adventures. Now let's head on inside and take a look. I hope you enjoy. Hello, welcome back to today's video. Today we are looking at St Mary's Church. Now I've got something special for you today, because look at this. This is an absolute beautiful. Wow. Check this out. We'll have a look up the end here first. But wow, look at that. How nice is this? Absolutely stunning. Randolph, 1990. Look at that, and this stained glass window with the sheep. I just can't believe it. Look it down there. Wow. Ceilings. Some candle lits here, 25p. This has got to be the best one that I've been to so far, by miles. This one is so beautiful. There you go, look, we have him on the cross there. Forms of confession. I can't get over how big this is. Oh, look at this for a stained glass window. Wow. Can't get over how big this one is. Absolute crazy. Let's have a look over here. Oh, look at this. Wow. I've never seen anything like this before. Look at this. The detail. That window is truly magnificent. This is massive, it goes off in all different directions. There's another picture up on the wall there. Let's take a look around here, because I did see some. 1905. There it is, St Mary's. Look at that, what an absolute beautiful place. What do we have in here? These candles burn as a prayer for the departed. May they rest in peace and rise in glory. Amen. Look at this. Out of the belly of hell cried, and those hardest my voice. Absolutely crazy. What do we have in here? Dennis Ward, 1905. Valour of Victory, 1945. Another picture here. I've never seen anything like it in these. Just when you think, like, I've been to a fair few now, and you know, I used to say they're all roughly the same, but obviously different in history. But this one is, like I say, absolutely crazy. It looks like there is an underground here as well. I don't know what that's for. If anyone knows what that is for, let me know in the comments. What do we have here on the floor? Age 59, 70, 63. Wow, what's this one? 1850 something, 1629. This one's 1830. Wow, let's have a look down here. It's a nice little organ there. But this, look at this. This is beautiful. Absolute crazy, and that's where they ring the bells. We set this church upon condition. 259 seats. So this is a big one. They must do like a pre-nursery here as well. But look at this. Wow. I'm just going to take one more walk down here so you can just get a load of that. Absolute amazing. I can't get over this, so I'm going to have another look at it. This is the best thing that I have seen in all these churches that I've been to. Look at that though. That is out of this world. How they did that all those years ago. Absolute crazy. Right, that's the inside done. We're going to have a look on the outside. If you are new here and you've come this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and come with us on all these journeys that we are adventuring on this year on this channel. So yeah, with that being said, let's take a look at this beautiful place on the outside. Look how thick this door is. Look, it's nearly as thick as my hand. Alright, we'll close this up. There's no wildlife, but yeah, heading outside. The sun is out. Let's take a look around here. All this stonework on these walls, absolutely amazing. This is the biggest one that I've done so far, but I might as well just have a quick look around the back here and see what's here, because we've got some. Oh wow, it's massive. What have we got here? 1830. There's like a green little river down here as well, but wow, what I didn't see. Look at this. Wow, look how far it goes. Wow. I'm going to walk down here and see if I can get a clip of this in one shot, because this is absolutely massive. Look how far down the graveyard goes. It goes right down here and all the way across. But have a look at this. Wow. The size of it. Absolutely incredible. Let's take a little walk down here and see what we can see, because some of these graves are fenced off, so try and have a quick look. See what we've got here. I can't even make that out. 1873. at this one. 29 years old. 1832. I don't know why these ones are caged off. I mean, if anyone knows why they put a cage around certain ones, like they must have something about them, surely. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you know, because that would be very handy to know, because I do see them every now and then, but I never know why they caged them off. To be fair, look at this one. This one's pretty beautiful. There's a fair few there, all in one. 1943, 1979, 1984. Wow, crazy, it must be a whole family all together. But yeah, like I say, it goes all the way down there and all the way around. I'm not going to take a walk down there, but yeah, this one has been the best one I've done so far. So like I say, please hit that subscribe button, like this video. But let's take a walk up here looking at this. Wow, I can't get over this, the stonework. How long do you reckon it took to build from start to finish back in the day, all them years ago? Let me know in the comments what you think. How long you took it, and how many people do you reckon worked on this church? But I bet this is the heart of the community for sure. That tower, massive, absolutely massive. Absolute crazy. Right, yeah, gonna leave this one here, jump on to the next one. Please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and we'll see you on the next one.